how do you use this course? I am going to tell you how I would use it, and then I will give you a couple suggestions. Think about what I'm talking about. Milo Sweet. All right, so how do you use this course? I am going to tell you how I would use it, and then I will give you a couple suggestions. So first, there are 40 videos. I would do a video a day. If you have a little bit more time, I would say don't do more than 30 minutes a day, unless you're literally able to set aside a whole day, get through the whole course, writing down things, setting up the habits on your schedule. I would say probably take your time, reflect, and a month from now, you'll be in a better place. So my suggestion would be to do one video a day, and that would take roughly 30 to 40 days. If you're like, that's too long, the other option is to take the time and set aside about an hour every day, and that'll take you about 7 to 9 days. The key though is that you leave time to think about what I'm talking about. That's important. There's so much that happens when you have a set aside quiet time to actually process the information. A lot of times we hear information and we think we're doing it because we hear the information, and it's like, oh my gosh, it sounds good. Yes! Except the fact of the matter is you have not put anything into action. You have not made any plans. You have not held yourself accountable. So let's not do that. Let's actually take time to think about how we can make this better. So most people have 10 to 15 minutes every day. Set aside that time and set aside the same amount of time to just process the information. If you have questions, write them in the comments below. If you're looking for extra tools, or maybe you need to really marinate, maybe you need to call your mom or call somebody else that can be an advocate and a source of honesty. Maybe talk to your partner, maybe ask your kids some questions. Hey, what did you like about last week? What did you enjoy? What do you love about mommy? What should mommy change? What should daddy change? Just making sure you're taking the time to reflect on the information, if I had to say, is the most powerful thing. All right, that's all for this video. I know, super short, super timely. You can take time to think about it. How do you want to do the course? Schedule a time that you're most likely to stay consistent. It's more important to be consistent than perfect.